Remember a few weeks ago when we tried winter sowing for the very first time?
Well, I'm trying to miss it. Well, y'all get the idea. Help! Well, it's been a month now, y'all, so we're gonna see what they looking like.
Just to briefly recap, we have 25 jugs total, 10 of which are our clear jugs that we put our medicinal perennial herbs in. And then the 15 are our milk jugs that we put, 2 of them are flowers, but the other ones are where we put our leafy greens, our cool season crops inside of.
Now we do have a tote over here that has our lettuce, some herbs, and some kale in here. And y'all already know I have to experiment. So I did add this right here. It's some Joe Pye weed. Then Joe Pye weed has to be cold stratified. So I'm just doing something a little different, and we're gonna see how they go. I sprinkled it on top, and we're gonna see.
Of course. Now it's time to see what came up, if anything. So, bum da da dum, drum roll, y'all. Let's get to the grand reveal. Starting with the big daddy greasy green collards, we got germination, y'all. Look at all those. We put a bunch of seeds in there, so you can see all of them have, not all of them, but a lot of them have sprouted. Really happy for that. And we got our Copenhagen market cabbage in here too. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So it's very promising for sure. So you see some little ones are starting to come up too. And we got some good germination with the ones along the sides. Some of them on the other side haven't come up yet, but a lot of them have. On to the beets, Touchstone Gold beets right here. Germination. Lots of beets. We are very excited for some beets because we have a lot of things in store for them. I love beets. I want to pickle some, and we want to eat more in our salad. So this one is the Lutz green leaf pink beets. We've never grown these before. We typically grow the red Detroit, and then we've grown the Touchstone Gold beets, which are a little sweeter. Peppermint Swiss chard. Now we gotta have our Swiss chard. We love Swiss chard. Not a lot of germination on this one yet. There's one hidden in the corner trying to hide away a little bit, but we do have this one over here, so hopefully more start to germinate soon. Georgia Southern Creole collards, you probably already saw it, but here's a close up. Look at all of that. Some in the corners, but a lot in the middle all around. Looking really good. More Swiss chard here. This is the large rib dark green Swiss chard. So this more germinated than the peppermint Swiss chard so far, but still not a lot as we hope for. So hopefully more start coming up soon. And then we have the Bloomsdale Savoy spinach. Look how pretty these spinach seedlings are. Lots of great seedlings.
Now we have the 7 top turnips. Somebody go get my mama, y'all. Do we have germination? Where my mama at?
Need to get her out here to look at this. Look at that.
Ooh, she gonna be happy, y'all. Yes, germination. Red giant mustards. Look at how pretty they already are. Germination, y'all.
Got that red on them. I love mustard greens.
Oh yeah.
In salads, etc.
Florida broadleaf mustard. What we have here, y'all? Germination. Oh yeah. And then I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but it's spinach, and it's supposed to be big. Germination. Germination. All right, now let's look at the tote.
Drum da da da, drum roll.
And we have some germination, y'all. We have some tatsoys and some bok choys. I don't know.
She forgot.
We have some kale, the red Russian, Kale germinated, the oregano, the dinosaur kale.
Some dill as well, tetra dill.
And we have some more lettuce, the marvel of 4 seasons. Now, the thing with the tote is we didn't put enough holes in the top. And I wish we had put more holes in the top because as you can see, it tends to get dry in here. So we have had to water a few times the top of the soil, just because it just gets dry, not enough holes. So that is one thing that I would have changed, and I still can do it. And I think I will, but put more holes in your tops, y'all.
Yeah, but the totes do work if you were interested in doing winter sowing in the tote. It is pretty good thus far.
What I am going to do, because it is looking mighty thirsty, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of water, y'all.
Little bit.
Not getting
going in more.
All right. But we did have some germination.
Now you saw what germinated, but we do have quite a few containers that did not. So let's see what did not germinate. It's starting to rain, but very quickly, our calendula did not germinate yet, along with the purple coneflower. And the Joe Pye we put out like a couple weeks later, so we don't expect germination yet because they do need cold stratification. And then our other medicinal herbs haven't germinated yet. Now they haven't germinated yet is not a problem because most of our medicinal herbs do require cold stratification for at least a month before they actually start germinating. Plus a lot of them are, or all of them really, are warm season plants. So it's been very cold. It's cold today. I got my gloves on. So we don't expect germination already. But this is a pretty great method if you are able to start winter sowing.
We love it. It's a game changer, y'all.
We're definitely going to be doing this in the future because this has really lightened the load on us. So foolproof method. Definitely try it out.
Yes. Now we are expecting the temperatures to drop this week, later on this week, into the 20s. And because we do have some germination, what we're gonna do is use some frost blankets and cover them up so that we can protect our little plant babies. And so we'll just cover them up like this and try to protect. So hopefully they'll be okay.
All right, y'all, that was all for our quick winter sowing update. We'll have a more comprehensive video for winter sowing when it is time to plant them out. But this has been a great method for us.
Absolutely.
So
we'll see you next time, y'all.
Try out winter sowing if you do have time to still do that. You probably are able to in February. But yeah, we will see y'all next time. Be sure to like, comment, let us know how your winter sowing is going thus far. And as always,
plant to live, y'all. See you next time.
We'll see y'all in the next video. It's coming soon.
Hey. Oh, girl, why are you playing so much?